Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars if you deleted your account. First, it's crucial to understand that deleting your Brawl Stars account is generally a permanent action. Once deleted, the account and all its progress, including brawlers, coins, and gems, are typically lost forever. However, there's a slim chance of recovery by contacting Supercell support directly. They are the only ones who can potentially assist you. Before reaching out, gather as much detail as you can about your old account. To give Supercell support the best chance of helping you, you'll need to provide specific details. Make sure you have your exact in-game name and player tag ready. This is a unique identifier. Try to remember the approximate date you created the account and, more importantly, the date you initiated the deletion. Any in-app purchase receipts, even if they are from years ago, are incredibly valuable. Also, recall the device you primarily used and the country where you first started playing Brawl Stars. Once you have all your information, it's time to contact Supercell support. The best way to do this is through the in-game settings of a new Brawl Stars account. Look for the Help and Support section, then navigate to account-related issues. Clearly explain your situation, stating that you deleted your account and are hoping for a possible recovery. Be prepared for a waiting period. The support team receives many requests, and it might take several days or even a few weeks for them to thoroughly investigate your case. It's important to manage your expectations. While recovery is possible, it is not guaranteed. Account deletion is designed to be a permanent action, and Supercell has strict policies. If they can recover your account, they will provide clear instructions on how to link it back to a Supercell ID. If, however, recovery is denied, consider it an opportunity to start fresh. Many players enjoy the challenge of building a new account. Remember this experience and always be extremely cautious before deleting any game account in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.